Hi guys, we going to massage place where so many massage because my friend already been in massage and he want to say about massage something. Hello Georgi, you been in massage today, yes?
Yes.
Show to our subscribers where you first time I think, yes?
In this year, yes. I was here before, several years ago.
No, it's normal massage, yes? It's not like
I
with happy
think-
end, only massage normal,
Yes, yes. I think it's the best here in Balibago. I try another one, but this is the best.
So this massage is more best, yes?
Yes.
Okay, we can check. Magic touch or not?
Not this, not this.
Ah, another, yes?
No. You see, green and red.
Ah. Soul Sisters, yes? Soul Sisters.
No, green and red. You see? I show you.
Rain Spa, yes?
Yes,
Rain
yes,
Spa.
yes.
Here so many massage place.
It's here. You see?
So you've been in this in Rain Spa, yes?
Because they have accredited. Very good.
Very good massage, yes?
Yes, yes, very good.
No, come, you can show. Hi.
No.
My friend been already in this massage place. He said it's a very popular massage here, yes?
Yes, it is very popular.
Okay.
Number one in Angeles.
Number one in Angeles, yes? Ah, understand. No, very good. My YouTube channel is Malay Philippines and today I will upload and many people who first time in the
From
Angeles, they want to
USA?
come and
USA?
check
No.
this massage
No, no, no.
place.
You're from what country?
What time you start to open?
Azerbaijan.
From 10 a.m. to
It's,
11 p.m. Yes.
USSR.
And this is price list. yes?
USSR Republic.
Russian.
Yes,
Russian.
yes.
Near Ukraine?
Yeah, no.
No, I think it's prices good. Because my
Middle
friend
East.
today been and he said I will come back again
Yes,
because
Near
he
Middle
very
East?
like massage. Okay, thank you very much for information.
Caspian Sea.
Turkey. Near in Turkey?
What?
Turkey.
Turkey. Yes, it's close to.
Near in Turkey.
Yes,
Your country?
it's near. Yes.
So what you think? So you won't come back to this massage again?
Yes, I was here today, and I was. It was pain in my back and shoulders. Yes.
Ah, pain.
I order back and shoulders massage. It costs 400 pesos, 1 hour. Yes. And she started to massage me, and I asked to do it stronger because I have a pain here and hard in this place.
So you before you already have problem, yes, in the back,
Yes.
and you want to go to massage. it.
It's at this right side and maybe arm until this. Yes.
But now
do-
you feel better?
Yes, much better.
Much better.
Maybe I go here again. Maybe after tomorrow.
After tomorrow.
Yes, I need a break. Maybe.
No need regular go to massage. I think.
Yes.
This is massage places near Orsu Hotel. Orsu Hotel, Red Doors. Now it's new name, Red Doors. This time now already 4:25 and many girls going to work. So some girls going to work to bars, some of going to main gate terminal. Main gate terminal, it's so many jeepney. So also good girls can walk in this way, this road. It's not only bar girls, because it's near the jeepney terminal. And this is what is called beer. It's new restaurant. I don't know. I never been in this restaurant. Okay, we take a look another places.
We can go to Germany.
Yes, yes.
Yes.
Now we will go
Okay,
to.
this way.
No, it cannot. We cannot go straight to this way
Why?
because it's already. If we go straight, it's already park, freelancers park.
But we
Close.
can go there.
Ah, yeah, yes. But I think we can walk the main road because we
okay.
can see so many girls also. No, not only girls.
But there are many
This is
children.
Dimple bar. It's Korean bar.
There are many children there.
Ah, yes, yes.
That's
Everywhere
why-
children.
That's why I want to go that way.
Children don't want to sit in this barangay. Georgi always wants faster walk. Exercise, yes, Georgi? I said you want exercise. That's why you walk faster, yes?
I walk faster because children.
Ah, you're just afraid children, yes?
Not afraid, but
No, I understand. Same. JJ near Margarita Station. It's very popular. And also hotel. Yeah, this is entrance hotel. Yeah, entrance in second floor, yes? Thank you. Today 57.75, little bit high rates today. Yes, 57.75. It's freelancers park. It's only cat freelancers here. Only cats. Ah, no, don't have. Here 57.70. 70 now. Only 50 peso. From 50 peso to 100. This is only 25. 25 peso. Maybe it's second hand, I don't know. Excuse me, do you know this is second hand because it's 25 peso? Second hand, yes. Okay, thank you. No, for 25 peso I think it's good. Georgi, t-shirts 25 peso second hand. Not second hand new, it's 100 from 50 peso to 100 peso. Okay, faster. We will go into Germany restaurant. It's I don't know name.
Bakery, yes?
Angel's Bakery. Yes, Angel's Bakery. I already have video from this restaurant massage. Oh, also massage time, relax, massage 24 hours. Interesting. Excuse me, how much it's massage? Back massage, how much? If only back, yes, how much? 300, yes. This is cheaper here. Okay, thank you very much. My friend will try. My friend will try and come back. He will try. Thank you. little bit traffic right now. We already Eurotel. No children always here. Children asking coins. It's not bitcoins, only coins. No, sometimes I can give, but not always, because always. This is Divera Hotel. It's your first hotel here. Yes, Divera Hotel. Most of people say it's rooms here is smaller. For small rooms, yes, but you have for 2,000 peso. 2,000 peso your
Yes, about
and
2000.
and the smallest room, yes.
I did not see another rooms. I don't know
Okay,
what
you
size.
already live.
1,900. Yes.
No, about
Deluxe.
2,000, about 2,000.
Yes, deluxe room.
Cheapest room, I think, maybe look like I don't know, dog house or cat house. I don't know. This is Angel's Bakery. Yes, it's very popular. Very popular. We will eat now here. Before, in the entrance, before here, had a small shop, but now it's already not small. The shop already big. This security CCTV also here. Yes, we can go to a shop and take a look. No, it's big already shop now. Have wines. Good afternoon. I will take video, not problem. Just only I will show to my subscribers what you have, because very popular. Because we regular customers here, and my friend just 2 years he not been in the Philippines, and he said, oh, very big now, very big, very good.
Also inside.
Yes, we will go to eat. First we can take a look and we go to eat inside restaurant. Thank you. No, this is bread. No, this is good bread. It's 105 peso. I think it's good because it's black bread. We cannot buy same bread in the hypermarket, only here. Fruit slice, banana. This is banana, 75 peso. This is 75 peso. Brownies. Brownies is little bit not the same like another place. It's but 75 peso. Cinnamon, also cinnamon, 70 peso only. No, it's good price here, very good. So many wines, different wines. No, about wines here, this is price, yes? This is prices, 520, 525, 415, no, 415 also. This is all 415, only this 420. Before 300 also is. 385. So many alcohol. Champagne also. Champagne, 600. Yes, 600. Another, I don't know what is. 450, 70, 750. Beer also. Beer. I don't know where price. No, this is beer. It's 85 peso. Also oatmeal also there. No, I like oatmeal in the morning. Milk here, 140 peso. 140. And this one, I don't know what. I not take my glasses. I don't know. And we can go to inside the restaurant now. And we will order here. This is popular Germany restaurant. This is two exit and two entrance. Have restroom. Menu, Georgi, you can ask menu. No, I think it's not menu. What is it?
Sweet.
We can check menu. Okay, thank you. This is menu. This is breakfast menu. This is minimum is breakfast 150. It's only egg and toast breakfast. It's minimum menu. No, minimum only 130. This one. But we will choose another, not breakfast. Also salad. Soup. Minimum soup is 185 peso. Chicken soup. In Kokomas, chicken soup, chicken noodle soup is 125. Here, a little bit expensive, maybe different soup. I don't know. Pasta we not want right now. Schnitzel mit Kartoffel, yes. Germany people say schnitzel mit Kartoffel. It's mean schnitzel with potato. Drinks also. Coffee 75 small and large 90 peso. Okay, we choose first. Already have soup. This is soup, chicken soup, 185 peso, and this is and bread. And Georgi order. You say what you order?
It's schnitzel.
Schnitzel.
Pork
schnitzel.
and mashed potato.
Mashed potato.
It's 340 or 385. I don't remember.
No, before
340.
340, yes. No, okay. Oh, very good, I think. Very good. I hope it's mashed potato. It's original, not from like powder. I think it's original, yes.
No, maybe the same.
From the
You
shop.
can buy there.
From the shop. Okay. We can eat now.